You must enjoy what you love at the moment. Don't think too much about the future. To extent that you failed, that appreciable the present. This suggests that while we are motivated to realize our goals in the future, it does not mean we must forget about the present. Enjoy every step of the way. The tendency when we fail is that because easily frustrated and then surrender. Successful leader did not make it to the top shamelessly and without mistake along the way. As the old saying goes, quitters never win and winner never quit. You have to do something in your life that is honorable and not cowardly. If you are to in peace with yourself, dare to dream big, optimize your goals, and never settles for less. While it is the golden rule to keep your goals without the thinking whether you can achieve it or not. In the way, our success, the variable is not the goal be set, but rather our ability and willingness to achieve them. When you have a big goal of life, then would you push you more to dare to dream big. Finish what you started, never leave things hanging, always aspire for completion of your goals. Of course, being successful is not easy because we have to take care of so many things, but these small details enclosed love what you do. Include happiness. The secret is not to do what you love, but love what you do. New and unexpected thing is no other choice but learn to accept and work your way around it. So night as well, love what you do.